Hello and welcome back to Rapid Bytes. Today we're going to show you how to create a split payment request by percentage. Rapyd is an API first company, and here on Rapid Bytes we'll show you how to work with our API to accept, hold, and disperse funds anywhere using local payment methods. Be sure to check out our developer community also in the link below where you can ask anything fintech and chat with other developers. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe to stay up on our videos. Let's get started. So thanks again. Today we are here using the Rapyd API to create a payment split by percentage. Payment splits can be used something like delivery services where percentage is delivered into a separate wallet. It can also be used for other services like dog sitting service, or where a service was provided and the service provider is getting paid, and then the client takes a percentage of every service or transaction. So I'm here on the use case guide for split payment. This is highlighting split payment by amounts. So you can go and look down for some of the workflow here. I'm going to head over to the payment object on our ref, and here you can see on the right, I've highlighted split payment by percentage, and there's 3 wallets there. If you put the percentage and then put null for the remaining wallet, it will take the rest of the percentage or split if it's 2. And so I will actually highlight split payment by amount here. And then as you could see, it just says amount, and that's just directly the amount that it will split. Today we're also going to be using the list wallets API because we are going to have to grab wallet IDs, and so that will be something that we'll grab and then put into the payload. And I will head over to Postman. I'm working in Postman, and we already have some list wallets. So actually, I will type person here, and that's a success. And so we have our wallets listed here. So I'm just gonna grab one, and then go over to create payment split by percentage. So I will paste in this wallet here and this wallet here, and a few things on the payment split. You could do 2 to 10 wallets, add 2 to 10 wallets for the split. Paying directly into the wallets is especially useful when for Rapyd when your employees don't have bank accounts. So that's a good way, and they could grab cash at their local store. Of course, I can leave that for another video. But another thing that is Rapyd enables the employer to pay multiple employees just in that single transaction by splitting the wallets that they've created in Client Portal. And so, yeah, I will go ahead and actually change this up a little bit. 100. So the amount will be 100. Our currency is the US dollar. The payment type that is paying for this transaction is a Visa card. You could also do MasterCard and other US payment methods, or really anything that is available that we have as a payment method, in which case I will also link our API call list payment methods and get the required fields for each payment method. And so here is the card information, and the description is just split payment example 90-10. Let's do about 75 will be actually, you know what, for this one we will do the client client wallet. And so it'll be kind of like a transaction of the company. And so this will take about 25% of the transaction, while this is the personal wallet. And one thing to note, if you don't put the full percentage here, let's say this is like 5 and it's another personal wallet. Right now I listed just the client wallet. This then it will automatically go to the client wallet, and so the client wallet will take the remaining amount. So we can go over that in one of the next examples, but I'll just click send here. And so here is the full amount of the total, and then the breakdown for each wallet, 25 and 75. And so let's grab this e-wallet, or actually it would be this one. It's the personal. And all right, and so yeah, this is the total balance of USD. It was just added to the total of which is in that wallet. So I can go to wallet transactions, list wallet transactions, and all right, and so I believe this is the most, no, it would be 75. This would be the most recent wallet transaction for this specific wallet. And it has took 75. And then again, this is the balance. This was the previous balance, 211. Awesome. And so let's go over to our documentation. Actually, I want to grab split payment by percentage, and I'm just going to grab this from our documentation, paste it in. And so these aren't our e-wallets in our client portal account, and so I'm going to list out some wallets, and let's do company. Let's say the people who are doing the services are getting paid are sole proprietors, and they are companies that they're getting paid. And then the last one, test company. And so yeah, here is, let's do 60, and then just 10, and then no. Awesome. So here's the total amount, and then here is the percentage and then the resulting amount. So 6, 10% of 60, and then 48. I want to do one last example, and let's say, yeah, we could do the same thing, but let's do 5%. 5%. Oh, and actually we have an error because of that comma. And so that went through. Total again is 60. And then as we go down, there's there's 3%, and then you notice this percentage here. Well, actually, this is the client wallet that it went to. As you can see, it's not listed here, but if you don't list it and then don't put the full percentage, then the remaining will go to the client wallet. And we could see the balance there, it'll be 13,974, and here are the transactions that we could check out. And so here's the previous balance, 13,920, and then plus 54. Here's the remaining in USD. Yeah, so let's go over to Client Portal, where we could follow up on all of our transactions. So actually, if I go to Collect and then Payments, here are some of the transactions we did: 100, 60, and then 60. And then I'll go to Wallets Transactions, and here are basically all the transactions. So that here is, I remember the 5% of the 60, and then the actually it would be the 48, and then here is the 75%. These wouldn't show the client portal, but of course we could see the balance here. And so here are some of the transactions that went into the client portal as well, that last 54. So yeah, that is a split payment by percentage, which we walked through today, how to grab your wallet, how to create a payment request, a split payment request by percentage, and just showed you briefly about what it would be by amount, and a few breakdowns to split up between personal wallets, company wallets, your client wallet. And yeah, just to wrap things up today, if you want to join our developer community, it's at community.rapyd.net, link in the description, and you can check out our guides, use cases, and API reference resource links in the links below. All right, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.